Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we have seen how can we read the data from the file. So in this particular video, we'll see how can we create a p collection from the in memory, right? So when I say in memory, it's just an typical variable. So uh, let me create a variable. Maybe I'll just randomly name it as a 1 2 3 4, right? And yeah, this is my pipeline. Just simply name it p, right? So now what I'll do is this is my a1 is my variable which is called p collection, right? And as usual steps. So p pipe, what we need to do is, let me write it clean way. So beam dot, so in our previous thing, what we did, we said beam dot io, right? Beam dot io read file. But in our case, we are creating a p collection from our local variable, right? So what I'll say is beam dot create of a. That's straightforward, right? And then what I'll do is beam dot map. Maybe I'll say filter, right? Lambda x, where x is greater than maybe no, maybe the x is less than 10, right? And we'll just print the results beam dot map print. Let me run this. What? Oh yeah, we need to close this bracket. What happened? Okay, we closed one bracket extra here. Yeah, did you see? It got printed, right? So this is how you can create a p collection from a variable, a local variable.